Hello everyone, we are going to solve another codility problem, another codility for programmer problems, and lesson number 7, data structure, structs and queue. From this chapter we already completed 2 problems about brackets and fish. Now we are going to solve nesting. Before solving this problem, I think at first we should clear about concept, what is nested properly nested. This is the first rules to solve this problem. Nested means let's go to draw something. Let's start to draw. For an example, this is the third bracket and this is the second bracket and this is the first bracket. If I will make this third bracket here, closing third bracket, and if I will do like this way and if I will do like this way, then it's not properly nested. Because what is the rules about struct data structure? It means which value will come first, it will go last. Which value will become last, it will go first. That means LIFO. We are following LIFO data structure, so I think everyone knows about what is LIFO. Last in, first out. We should follow same rules to solve this problem. That's why it's not properly nested, because this is the first it came and it should go last. In the same way, if it will be like this, then it's properly nested. It's properly nested without any hesitation, because it's come first, last, first, first, last, first, sorry. So now let's try to solve this problem. And for more visibility, I want to make it highlight. They are asking same thing. This is properly nested row, nested bracket or string, and this is not a nested, properly nested string. So let's start to solve this problem. At first we should take the data structure and its string, then we should define its character. Characters. Just a second. CJ. It should be like this, and below we define data structure. Now we are going to create iteration. Switch Now we are going to use switch. Like this way. Below dot push. Like this. Break we should another case statement. Here first we have to check if the data structure is empty or not. Value dot is if it's empty, and value dot peak just a second. If it's like this, then return 0. If not, then like this way, then pop, sorry, then break. Finally what we have to do now, we should return is empty it can be like this way. What I did, I should explain again. At first I took one data structure. It's a stack data structure. It means last in first out. It's follow last in first out rules. Later I use for loop. Inside the for loop I define as string. Because of string we should use len with bracket. After that we use switch statement, and inside the switch statement we are going to check this string and character. We will check each character. That's why character at method we are taking this built-in method, and inside this method we are defining variable I. That means we are defining all value. After that we are using case. In first case we are using first if it will start with this bracket, then value dot push, and just a second, it should be like this, s dot character at I value. After that break. In case 2, if value dot is empty or value dot peak is not equal to this value, then it should be returned 0. Else value dot of bracket, then return value dot is empty. This it's a ternary operator. In our programming language it's called ternary operator. So now let's go to run. I always forgot about it, sorry. I hope now it will work properly. Yeah, now it's worked properly. You see, it's properly nested loop. That means it's okay. It's not properly nested loop, it's also okay. That means it's not properly nested. If it's nested then 1, if it's not nested then 0. Given string is returns 1 if string is properly nested, and 0 otherwise, if not then 0. So we are doing same thing here. So now let's go to submit. It's evaluating our code. Wow, congratulations. We receive 100% score and it's nested problem. And about all cases, it takes 11 minutes to solve this problem. And we fulfill all the requirement. That's why we receive 100% score. This is our code. And this is the exemplary test. Example test, correctness test, performance test. Based on all the test, when it's fulfill the requirement, then we will receive 100% score. We meet all the requirement, that's why we received 100%. So thank you very much, take care, see you in my next video.